professionalism, commitment, and patriotism. These officers with me here and many others have earned very little sleep. We have been working around the clock to ensure that this city is safe and secure and there is tranquility. That has been our objective, to ensure there is calm, everybody is safe and secure. When you look at the Constitution and our mandate is to ensure life and property is protected. There is law and order. And that is what exactly we have been doing. And we have been doing that without fear or favor. We have told you on many occasions, as we are non-partisan, we are not in politics. Our constitutional responsibility and mandate is to ensure life and property is protected at all costs. Then, as I've stated, there is calm. People can move around freely.